Visual. Control center opens up, selecting a small icon shaped like a human ear. The menu expands to reveal a pulsing audio level meter. Now for an incredibly powerful, almost stealthy feature hidden in the platform. Go to your phone's main settings, open Control Center, and add the hearing icon to your quick menu. Next time you have your earbuds in, tap that ear icon and select Live Listen. This instantly transforms your iPhone's internal microphones into a high-gain remote audio receiver, streaming everything it hears directly into your ears from up to 50 feet away. You can leave your phone on a podium to hear a lecturer clearly from the back of an auditorium, or monitor a room perfectly without needing to carry your device. Visual. The interface switches between transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation modes with clean animations. This generation introduces advanced active noise cancellation directly into the open-ear design. If you long press the volume slider in your control center, you can switch seamlessly between 3 heavy-hitting modes. Transparency mode leaves the internal microphones open, piping outside ambient sounds perfectly into your ear canal, so you can hold natural conversations and stay completely aware of traffic as if you weren't wearing headphones at all. Noise cancellation mode does the exact opposite. It generates inverted anti-noise waves that actively cancel out background hums, engine droning, and gym music, so you can isolate yourself in pure silence. Adaptive mode is the smartest choice for daily wear. It constantly blends transparency and noise cancellation dynamically, automatically lowering the isolation when you walk into a quiet room and maximizing it the second a loud construction zone appears nearby. Visual. The host starts speaking out loud. An overlay graphic shows the music volume instantly dipping down to 10% while the background noise vanishes. To make this system completely automated, toggle on conversation awareness inside your audio settings. This feature continuously listens for the unique acoustic signature of your own vocal cords. The moment you open your mouth to speak to a cashier or say hello to a coworker, the earbuds instantly drop your music volume down to a faint whisper and use directional beamforming to amplify the voice of the person standing directly in front of you. The second you finish speaking, your music automatically swells back up to full volume without you ever lifting a finger. Visual. Screen recording showing an explicit name edit using fun text and a custom rocket emoji. Before we get to the final safety feature, let's quickly clean up your device profile. Inside your Bluetooth settings, you can tap the information icon next to your device to completely rename them. You can use bold typography, special characters, or custom emojis to give your profile some personal flair in the connection menu. Visual. Finger tapping the microphone setting path and switching it from automatically switch to always right below the naming menu. Look for the microphone setting. By default, the system switches back and forth automatically, but if you're walking through a windy city or trying to take an important phone call in a crowded coffee shop, change this setting to lock onto a single side, like the right earbud. This allows you to literally pull the right bud out of your ear and hold it directly in front of your mouth like a mini microphone. This isolates your voice entirely from background chaos, making you sound crystal clear to the person on the other end of the line. Visual. The lighting shifts to high contrast. Text flashes. Emergency safety matrix. Screen navigation hits. Settings dash, accessibility dash, sound recognition. Now, here is the critical, life-saving loophole I promised you. Because these earbuds feature such incredibly powerful isolation and immersive volume mapping, it is very easy to become totally oblivious to real-world dangers around you when walking down the street or working out. To protect yourself, open up your iPhone settings, jump into accessibility, scroll down to the hearing section, and tap sound recognition. Toggle the main master switch on, enter the alerts library, and enable the specific listening monitors for fire alarms, smoke detectors, and emergency sirens. Visual. The host is Smee Ling, grooving to music with the earbuds in. Suddenly, a distant siren sound plays. A massive crimson emergency banner instantly drops down across the iPhone screen, and the music cuts to absolute zero. Once enabled, The advanced acoustic processors inside your buds will continuously monitor environmental frequencies in the background. Even if you are blasting your favorite tracks at maximum volume with total noise cancellation turned on, the exact millisecond the hardware detects the acoustic frequency of a building's smoke alarm or an oncoming ambulance siren, it will instantly hijack your audio feed. The system drops your music volume to absolute zero, pauses your media, and flashes a bright, vibrating emergency notification across your display so you can react instantly to the danger around you. Visual. Camera cuts cleanly back to a wide shot of the host, looking directly into the lens with an engaging smile. Now that I have officially saved your life with that safety loophole, do me a massive favor and smash that subscribe button right down below so we can crush our 3 million subscriber goal. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the very next video. Toodles. Visual. High energy outro screen.